Hello and welcome to Hamilton's Happy Hour. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing and unpackaging of an Oscar Meyer Weinermobile monster truck. Since we do the hot dog reviews, I just had to get this bad boy. We're going to get into that. Before we get into it, I want to remind everybody you can check us out online, hamiltonshappyhour.com. You can find all of our videos, food reviews, drink reviews, everything else right there, along with all of our social media links. Again, that's hamiltonshappyhour.com. We'll also have some other Matchbox reviews in the future, so be sure to check it out. Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, hamiltonshappyhour.com. Let's dig into this bad boy. I saw this at a Walmart. I like going through monster trucks just to see what they have. And with it being the Oscar Meyer Weinermobile, but now known as the Oscar Meyer officially changed it to the Frankmobile. But this is the Oscar Meyer Weinermobile, and you can see some of the detail there. The tires, Oscar Meyer. Let's look on the back here. These are other trucks that came in the set. So there's the details on the Oscar Meyer Weinermobile. And here's some other trucks that came in the set. Samson, Loco Punk, 5 Alarm, Triceratops, Monster Vet, Volkswagen, Drag Bus. So let's get into the Weinermobile. Let's open her up. Try to do this as delicately as possible without making a big mess. Alright. Let's pop her out. Let's get rid of that. So there he is. Fits about in the size of your hand. Get a little close up on there. There's the tires. What's the other side look like? Other side's pretty much the same as the left. Is the same as the right. There's the front coming at you. Let's see how it moves pretty well. Light. The tires are a little moving around. I guess it gives it some movement if you're doing the monster truck thing, going over other cars. But all in all, I think it's a pretty cool little truck, especially if you're into hot dogs like we are. I think this was like $3 at the Walmart. I'm sure you can get them online as well. So there it is, the Oscar Meyer Weinermobile. Let's take a look at the underneath. It's not as heavy as, I guess, Matchboxes I remember as a kid. But then again, nothing is the same as when we were kids. I'm going to see if that door doesn't open. No, that door doesn't open. But pretty cool. Nice to add to the collection. I wonder if it's considered rare now since it's the Oscar Meyer Weinermobile and they've changed it to the Frankmobile, which is weird. Why change it from the Weinermobile? Is Wiener that offensive that we've got to change it to the Frankmobile? Just call it the Hot Dog Mobile. There it is. If you got one, let me know your thoughts. If you have a Matchbox collection, I'd love to see some of your pictures. You can email them to us, hamiltonshappyhour@gmail.com. And until next time, guys, that's our Weinermobile review. Take care and see ya.